Canara Robeco Manufacturing Fund NFO. Will this NFO be a great addition to your investment portfolio, or should you look for other investment opportunities? Let's do a detailed analysis in this video to find out. This Canara Robeco Manufacturing Fund NFO is open till 1st March 2024. Now let's start by looking some of its key features first. It comes under manufacturing sector category. It's an open-ended fund type. It uses S&P BSE India Manufacturing TRI as its benchmark. The minimum amount for investment is Rs 5,000. The fund manager here is Pranav Gokhale. Exit load will be charged. If redeemed before 1 year, 1% exit load will be charged. Now let's start discussing about the Canara Robeco Manufacturing Fund NFO investment philosophy and investment objective. Investment philosophy. It aims to invest in opportunities across manufacturing team. Investment objective. Long-term wealth creation by investing in equity and equity-related instruments of manufacturing team. Following this, now let's check out the suitability of this NFO. It seeks to provide long-term capital appreciation by investing predominantly in equity and equity-related securities of companies falling under manufacturing team. Suitability. This scheme is suitable for aggressive investors who are more bullish of manufacturing team's future performance. Moving on, let's see the pros of investing in this Canara Robeco Manufacturing Fund NFO. This fund is diversified among the top performing companies in the manufacturing team. Investors seeking for allocation in the manufacturing team can invest in this fund. If the manufacturing team performs well, then investor can get even inflation beating returns, as it is a high risk, high return policy. It is suitable for aggressive investors who are more bullish on the manufacturing team's future performance. Just like knowing the pros of investing, you should also be aware of the cons of investing before making an investment decision. It is riskier for short-term investors. This fund is not suitable for your core portfolio. Not all great teams can translate into stock market returns. It at times can give overexposure to your portfolio, which can again lead to negative triggers as well. Not flexible and dynamic when compared to diversified funds. Can add more volatility to your portfolio, which again is not a good sign for your long-term financial goals. There is a high concentration risk involved in it. If a manufacturing team underperforms, then as an investor you can gain no returns or even low returns as well. So which again is not a good sign for your financial goals. Timing and circle of competence matters the most while choosing these NFOs. So it is always advisable to take the help of the financial planner or a mutual fund distributor before opting for these NFOs. So far we have covered all the key aspects of this Canara Robeco Manufacturing Fund NFO. Now it's time for the final takeaway. If you are a first time investor or a conservative investor, then you should look to avoid this NFO. If you are looking to invest in manufacturing thematic funds, there are existing manufacturing thematic funds which has a good track record in the market. If you look to choose the best among those, it will be more than beneficial for your financial goals. If you don't know when to exit or when to enter into this manufacturing theme NFO, then it's better to avoid this NFO. And if you are looking for investment for your core portfolio, then this is not a suitable product. Before making any investment decision, it is always advisable to consult a financial planner, as he will be able to verify the investment objective of your investment and as well as this NFO, and you will also be able to see whether the risk profile of you matches with the risk profile of this NFO. If you already invested in these kinds of funds earlier, then he will not recommend this NFO for you, because as an investor, if you have a high overlap ratio, the chances of you generating inflation beating returns becomes lesser. And suppose if this NFO is an ideal choice for your investment portfolio, then also he'll be able to tell how much should you allocate for this particular NFO, and also he'll be able to guide you during market turbulence. So it is always better to take the help of a financial planner before making any critical investment decision. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.